happened? Charlie, she rejected you earlier. What happened? Hey, now she wants you again. Now she's after you. She's chasing you. She wants your attention. Charlie, bust me up with the name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Dem a Slayer. My guys, if I tell you people say, work hard, improve yourself, become the best version, you people think say I dey lie. See, somebody where they reject them, somebody where they throw them inside the gutters, where they say they no one see them again. Now they call them. Now they check up on them. Now they chase them. They want them again. You see, what I dey tell you say, most of wanna girls be opportunists. You dey understand? They be gold diggers. Everywhere the finish line or everywhere the opportunity they want to enjoy. Somebody with a drum for the gutter inside, the girl reject them for only God know. It be like they go 2 years. Now the boy level up, the boy in game change. The girl they call him again. Charlie, she left you, she bounced you when things were badly against you, when everybody was against you and things were so bad. The only one you call your love, the only one you have hopes in, your shoulder, she bounce you. You didn't understand. But right now, she go, she see say you level up. She see say life change. Things they look better. Now she won't come back again, man, guy. Or now she they chase you. Now she they forced to come back. Charlie, why this our ladies they behave so? Why this one are modern ladies? Then they behave so. Then be so opportunist. Then be so gold diggers. Charlie, my guys. Today, make we talk about the reason why these girls then go left you, go walk hard, and she bounce where she go. No, see that place no the sweet like that. The way she see the package, you dey understand. Where she imagine things, where she feel say that package be better than you. You where you then go through life, you where you suffer give am. All because he see some guy where they drive Lamborghini, so he thinks say he no be that. He see some guy where they pull range, so he thinks say he no be that. You dey understand. When she bounce, you go chase the guy. He chase the guy finish. The guy take on to doing things. Right now go realize not knowing the way they see the guys. You know be so. Maybe the Range Rover the guy take the can't carry himself. He uncle being on the uncle can't take in Range Rover go. You dey understand. But you get your small house, you get your portable car, where you know where you hustle, you sweat where you take buy your thing. That be the difference. You dey understand. So after she realized say the other side, what she go chase, it no be what it be, you know. Now she won't come back for you again, my guy. Me, this one I never go forgive. This one I never go accept them back. But Charlie, subscribe to the channel. I beg you, subscribe to the channel. If they need me, yeah, then you like the video, then you comment. Yeah, the old members too, I beg you, make you people like the video. You forgive the video the like button. You for like the video. You didn't understand. Then you comment. They be very emotional being. Them myself, they don't know what they want. She feel say this guy will be the best giver. Tomorrow she feel say Kojo will be the best giver. You didn't understand. They follow their emotions every time. If my emotions they control them. So today she go feel bounce you, thinking say Kojo be the best. Then go Kojo in there. You didn't understand. Tomorrow morning she go feel bounce Kojo, thinking say Kwesi or Kofi be the best. You go to Kofi. It be so them alive day. It be so them a being. It be so them day. See, these things I they tell you, I know they tell you guys make you people hate the ladies or make you people they maltreat them. But I want to make you people understand them nature, the way them day. You they understand. If you know them nature, if you know the way them day, where you know you yourself, your value, then your importance of being a man, you will always know how to control these affairs. You will always know how to handle this one, ladies. See, man, guy, me I be one guy, I know they forgive when it comes to woman inside. We dey understand, because them know they forgive us. Them no care whether we live or die. We dey understand. Them always they want the best for themselves, regardless of what will happen or regardless of whoever you be. So why if me I work push myself what things can make better give me? Right now I did drive some serious Bugatti or some serious Ferrari. I get some 2-3 companies, things they move better give me. Then she bring her head back. You think say me I go accept them, or you think say me I go take them back? See, the higher you go, the higher you meet higher girls. You dey understand? If you go take them safe, you tell the girl self say you be weak man. You dey understand? 2, you yourself, you know they value yourself, you know they respect yourself, because somebody no go treat you like Sebi you know exist, like Sebi we a ballani. Then she go just can't tell you say, oh baby, I'm sorry, then you forgive her. No.